The definition of victory for the Finance of the Future program for Sasol was beyond just implementing cutting-edge technologies and modern software. It was about implementing a solution that would work now and going into the future. To give some context, Sasol operates in a very complex micro and macro environment. Added to this, having multiple disparate sources of data for Sasol added to the complexity.
There's not many companies in South Africa with a more complex value chain than Sasol. They extract every ton of coal and every gigajoule of gas from the ground to turn into their different fuels and chemical products. It's simple to build this out for one company, but imagine building it out for 16 different businesses made up of more than 150 legal entities into a single value chain. For me, that sheer complexity is what made this the project of the year.
As the VP Business Controller, my role is to oversee the automation of the integrated impairment calculation for year-end. It's a complex transaction with many handover points as well as manual data transfer, and has caused a material weakness at the Sasol Group. A material weakness impacts the credibility of our financial systems as well as our financial teams, and it was imperative and a key priority to find a solution to manage the handover points as well as the data transparency and allow time for review. We have embarked on a journey with the Deloitte team. My role is to ensure that we are realistic when it comes to deliverables and timing, as we know how complex this challenge is.
The human connections underpinned everything in the project, as is in line with Deloitte's vision. The team collaborated extremely well through open lines of communication. We wouldn't have to wait only for formalized stand-up or catch-up sessions in order to resolve any queries that would come across. And that meant no one was left behind in the process of making sure we meet deadlines and we deliver the quality expected by Sasol in order to make the project happen.
I'm very happy with Deloitte as our service provider. In actual fact, I see them more as just a service provider who helped us to mitigate a business risk, but more as a strategic partner with us on this journey.
What I am most proud of is how the teams came together to turn a very complex problem into a working solution. Any team can achieve the technical and formal designs, but it really took individual grit, a genuine spirit to win, and team collaborations at key moments to achieve what we have.
In a few years, I'll reflect on this project, and I'll be most proud of the agility fostered, the ability to problem solve come together, and the value delivered towards Sasol. This is really, really a project of the year in the making.